Okay, here we got Dwayne opens a savings account with $75. He makes the same deposit every month, makes no withdrawals. After 3 months, he has $150. After 6 months, he has $225. After 9 months, he has $300. What is the rate of change? Well, the rate of change is another word for slope. It's another word for slope. All right. So here's what I like about this one here. It kind of tells me that the rate of change is he opens a savings account with $75. So I'm going to do this nice little chart here. He opens an account, which means at the very beginning he has what? $75 in his account. Okay, after 3 months he has $150. After 6 months he has $225. Now there's a lot of ways I can go about doing this. Most people are going to say this here, pick 2 points, use your formula, the xy2 minus y1, which in this case here, I would then pick probably this point right here is my first one. So I would write 150 minus the 75, because that means it's now y1, over, so it's 3 minus 0, which would give me 75 over 3, which would redeem about 25. So my actual rate of change or slope is $25 per month that he's adding to the account. Okay. Now, if I want to write an equation to kind of show this, I need y equals mx plus b. Well, I just found that the rate is 25. I need to find the b portion. What's really nice about this here, the b portion occurs at when x is 0, which means this is always my y-intercept. Remember, x is 0, that is the y-intercept. So that makes this here, what, 75. So they give you enough information so you can figure out a lot of these things. If not, I had a couple of points here, and you could do this here. I like doing, even if I did not know the b, I know that, suppose I use the point 350, x would be a 3, y would be 150, and I knew my m is 25. You can do y equals mx plus b, so the y would be 150 equals 25 times 3, because that's what the x value is, plus b. That's 75. You would then minus 75 from each side. So 75 equals b, which is exactly what we ended up with to begin with. Those are all different ways that you can come up with that to write an equation or find the slope or the y-intercept on that particular problem.